How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English dub. First thing you have to do is to access your preferred browser. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to use my Google Chrome. So let's head to it. Now once you pull up your web browser, you have to go to this website, which is crunchy crunchyroll.com. Now, there are many types of websites who offers this kind of feature, like watching a Japanese animes and uh, changing the voice or the dub into English. Now, all you have to do is to go to crunchyroll.com for this tutorial, and for you to be able to make changes on its settings, you have to create an account for free. Now, once you are on the website, all you have to do is to click this gear icon right here, and then there will be a drop down. You just go ahead to settings, and then under preferences, you have to change the audio language to English. Now, once everything is set, all you have to do is to go home and then search for Naruto Shippuden. All right, and you'll just have to go ahead and click on continue watching if you are currently watching on any specific kinds of series of this movie or this anime, and that's it. That's basically it. That's how you watch Naruto Shippuden in English dub.